hello. Hi, how are you? Welcome to another edition of New England Relic Recovery. I am back where I was a couple days ago. Found a nice copper coin in that area. Couldn't identify it, but still it's nice to have a copper coin. Got a nice 67 here. I dig down, I look, and I see something round and green. I love that green patina. That tells me it's copper, probably some kind of copper alloy, and it could be a penny. It's about the size of a penny. Oh, it says 1 cent. 1 cent. It is old. Look at that, beautiful. 1 cent. So it's not a 2-center. It's an Indian head. Look at that. Aww. I just found a couple in a seeded hunt a couple weeks ago. I think this is my first in the wild Indian head penny. I don't see a date, but maybe I can get one later. It doesn't seem fat, so it's probably one of the later years. Well, isn't that awesome? Great way to start off the hunt. I was debating, should I come back here? Still plenty. I did 3 laps around this square, so there's plenty in the middle I have not gone to yet. Still have the finds from that day in here. Oh, I got that tack. I found a tack over there. There must have been some logger activity here, but it is an old square. Got an old copper here. Just up the hill I found 2 KG2s, so those were old. Alright, let me finish this square and see if we have time to go somewhere else. Okay, I'm pretty much filling up this whole area. Just gonna get this area here. Might head over there later. Just got a 76 signal both ways, bi-directional. Lovely sound. I love to hear that. And look at what it is. Whoa. I think this is a buckle. I think this is an old buckle. I think this is the kind of buckle that Steph just found. Steph digs. Hers was silver though. Solid silver. This is going to be copper alloy of some sort. Oh, it's got innards. Oh, not much, but it's got innards. Oh, look at that. Wow, that is beautiful. That's got some fancy on the sides. Look at that. Okay, I'm not getting up anything here, am I? Okay. Oh, wow. That really is beautiful. And I didn't hit it. That's a bonus. You don't want to hit your relics. Alright. Well, it's got the iron innards. Iron rod and the pin in the middle, whatever. That is really nice. That is going to clean up really pretty. Wow. Well, I was just thinking, did I get everything? Obviously not. Now, the debate is, do I go next door into the back lot? I've only been to once. Really didn't find anything. Everything's been in the front lot. A couple KG2 coins, the silver plated buckle, buttons, all kinds of good stuff. I just did this square. Not a very big square. 2-day square. Might go to the back lot, or I might head down the road to where I found the cannonballs. Hello, I'm in the upper lot now. finished up down there. Figured I'd come up here. It's a lot easier to swing up here. Oh my goodness. Such a pain to swing. So, because basically they cut trees, but they left behind all the branches, and just, it's a mess. Even the small logs they just left on the ground, and only took like the big trunk part. So it's hard to, you can't get a good swing in most areas. Very few areas flat like this. But I got a nice flat area up here. A nice 60s signal, forget which one, but in the 60s. And it's right here in this clump. And I picked it up. And you ready for the reveal? One of my favorites. A nice musket ball. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. Alright, see what else I can get up here. Alright, so I finished up walking around the upper level deck. Came down here, heading towards the car, directly to the car. Still swinging as I always do, even though it came through here. I look down and get a 50. Shotgun head stamp, right? Right? Yeah? You think so? That's what I was thinking. But I'm wrong. Look at this. Oh, nice suspension clip. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? 19th century probably. Oh man. I'm trying to get my brush. A little copper alloy brass maybe. Pretty good shape, wow. Right next to this. Always swing near the tree trunks. They help keep your relics from falling into the abyss. Those roots help keep your relics up near the top level, within that 1 foot mark that you need. Look at that, it's even got the clip right there. That's nice. That's a very nice clip. Oh, so happy I dug that. That was not a shotgun head stamp. Ah, one of these days, I hope I see, there's always somebody working over there cutting wood or something. One of these days I'm going to go over there and ask them if I can detect over there, and I'll show them what I've found over here. And they're like this, like that nice little buckle. That's small. It's like the same size and shape as the one Steph found. I think she said hers was 1600s. That would be awesome. Alright. I need to get that book.